in Excel, because we do not use copy and then paste. We just used to drag it. Okay. Now, yesterday I have told you how to select some cells. Correct? No? Now, if I want to populate all these selected cells with a name, then what I need to do is, see, I can do like, now if I'm dragging this here, and then I'll tell you about this also. Okay, let me write name Vamsi. अब मैं Vamsi को ऐसे भी fill कर सकता and then drag it and populate like this also. Correct? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Next method is see. What you can do is select the cells, then type the name, and then press Control Enter. So when you click Control Enter, it will just populate the cells with the same name. Clear? See again.
Yes, sir.
Select the cells, write a name like Krishna, and then press Control Enter, and you will get the result. Okay? Remember, Control Enter. Now, similarly, what you can do actually, like आप ऐसे select कर सकते हो, you can select this one, press Control. I have told you yesterday itself how to select some random cells. You can do like this, and then you can write Krishna, and then Control Enter. So we'll populate all the random selected cells. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll just show you something more. Like we have an option here in select. We have a go to special. Could you see this go to special here? And find, replace, and go to, but we have a go to special also. I'll show you a simple example in go to special. Now, like here, some cells are blank. Okay. Could you see this? This will happen to us. Okay. Whenever we will get some data, we will get some cells which are blank. मिलता है ना कभी-कभी data? Have you seen such kind of data? है ना, किसी का phone number गैप रहता है, तो sometimes the address is missing, sometimes, right?
Yes.
And what you want to populate this blank cell. You cannot, you cannot just leave these cells blank. What you need to do is you need to populate these cells with dash dash dash. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे 4 cells है, तो it is okay. But what about when we have thousands of records? Let me show you thousands of records. Excel exercises. I have some records. We are going to use this record every time in the exercise files. Now, could you see this? There are approximately 800 records here. And as you could see, there are so many cells which are not filled. Correct? दिख रहा है? Ration card, Aadhaar, enrollment number, these are 6. These are not filled.
Sir. Yes, sir.
So what you need to do is, like here also, see, father's occupation is not filled. Now, what you need to do is, you want to just fill all these blank cells with dash dash dash. So कैसे करोगे? अगर if we are having just 4, what we can do, we can just fill it directly as ऐसे we can do it. है ना? हम लोग कर सकते हैं ऐसे dash dash करके. See, dash dash. There you go. Yes, dash dash. I can do it like dash dash. But अगर मुझे ऐसे करना है तो मैं क्या करूँगा? See, I'll just go click here. I'll go to select and go to special. And here, could you see this blank here? देखो, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Click on the blanks and then click OK. So when you will do, what Excel will do now, it will just select all the blank cells. समझ में आया? See, all the blank cells will be selected. And here what you can do, you can put anything you want. ठीक है, dot 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 मैंने दे दिया and then Control Enter. See, all the blank cells are now filled with this dot dot dot. Could you see this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Sir, और एक बार explain करो.
और एक बार, चलो मैं छोटा सा एग्जांपल में एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ rather than giving ना big example. Now, do one thing. Click here, ठीक है? Go to find, go to special, ठीक है? यहाँ पे दिख रहा है? Go to special window. Here you will find blank, ठीक है? Click on this blank and then click OK. So what it will do? ये पूरा हो गया. So let me select this. And then I go to special blanks and click OK. Now see, all the blanks are selected ना? दिख रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो अभी मैंने just 5 minutes ago I told you now how to populate all the cells like Krishna. So I will write Krishna and then what I will do? Control Enter. See?
Control Enter.
All the blank cells are now filled with Krishna, है ना? Similarly, dot dot dot, Control Enter, it will be filled with dot dot dot. Clear, no?
Yes, sir. It's clear. Thank you.
समझ में? It is one of the most useful things. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा use होता है, ठीक है? Shall we move to the next?